This ReeceNichols Blue Springs property video is presented by Janice Cunha. Hard to find true ranch home in Blue Springs for under $160,000. Hardwoods in bedrooms, newly updated hall bathroom. Laundry conveniently located off kitchen with half bath. One level living for convenience. Basement could be finished for additional living space if desired. Carpet needs replace in living room and hallway. HVAC is nearly new and roof is around 8 years old. Covered patio with new roof. Home is being sold in its present condition. Seller is not able to make repairs, but there are no issues. For more information, review the details below or contact Janice Cunha at 816-655-6607.